Hey there, I'm Sharon Malone, and welcome to another episode of Shift Tips, where we share the best tips and tricks to make your digital life simpler. Did you know that 1 in 4 visitors leave a website that takes more than 4 seconds to load? You're still here! Congrats, you've got a decent attention span. With that being said, let me give you some tips for faster browsing. First things first, let's talk about optimizing your browser settings. Start by clearing your cache and cookies. Think of these like the crumbs in your keyboard. Tiny, but when they pile up, things get messy. So take time to clear them out regularly. And those extensions you added because they sounded cool, disable or remove the ones you don't use. If they don't spark joy or speed, they gotta go. Now on to efficient tab management. If your browser is anything like mine, you probably have more tabs open than a bartender on a Friday night. Instead of struggling to track them all, you can streamline your workflow with Shift Browser. With Shift, you can create spaces. These collections of tabs are based on tasks, for instance, separating your personal from your work life. It's also easy to seamlessly switch between accounts and keep your browser clutter-free. So when I'm trying to unwind with a new season of Emily in Paris, I'm not constantly reminded of work. Next up, let's improve your internet connection. A fast browser is only as good as the Wi-Fi it's running on. Pause the video and check your internet speed using an online tool like Speed Test. Go on, I'll be here when you get back. If you're not getting the speed you're paying for, it may be time to optimize your Wi-Fi setup. Place your router in a central location, away from walls and big furniture. And if all else fails, give your router a little pep talk or, restart it. Managing browser resources is another biggie. Open your task manager and take a look at what's running. Then close those background apps that are hogging your system's memory. If it's not essential, shut it down. Think of it as a late spring cleaning for your computer. Finally, consider using a lightweight browser designed for speed and efficiency. Shift is specifically built to streamline your browsing experience, making it faster and you more productive. Integrate all your apps, accounts, and tabs into a single window. This reduces unnecessary bloat and speeds up your workflow by keeping everything you need all in one place. With Shift, you can switch between tasks without the lag, helping you get more done in less time. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in to Shift Tips and learning how to turbocharge your browsing. And remember, a faster browser means more time for the things that matter in life, like watching those cooking videos you'll probably never get around to recreating. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more digital life hacks.